Here are top 3 reasons why most people fail into trading or investing journey. First and foremost, lack of proper knowledge or path, which means a lot of people lack into proper knowledge in a step-by-step module, step-by-step manner that do this, do that, and so on in order to become a profitable as well as professional trader. Second comes risk management, which means a lot of people lack into proper risk management and money management part in terms of capital allocation, and ultimately any one of the gap up or gap down which is being found against them, it can wipe out their trading career as well. Third comes emotion based trading. A lot of people trade based on their gut feeling, intuitions, hope, fear, greed, and desire, and many more emotions. And ultimately, at that point of time, our intelligence goes low. As and when emotions go high, intelligence goes low, and ultimately, at that point of time, people lose money. So, these are the top 3 reasons why most people fail into trading. And if you avoid those 3 reasons, you can ultimately become a pro trader and a profitable trader within smaller span of time.